Alright, so they have flattened back out enough for me to use them. And I am going to cover them in fabric though. These are my fabric choices. Get these out of the way. I still want to use this as my spine. So I don't really like the yellow with it. Blue and green is fine, but maybe I'll do blue on the front and green on the back, because blue is like wintry and we're going into spring at the end of the book, and green is springy. So that's what I think I'll do. And then I'll just figure out some kind of focal point for the front cover. Yellow is definitely out though. I might use this. Oh, I'm yawning. I might use this for some pockets or stuff, because I really do like that. So I'm going to have to do some ironing. And then we can... Maybe I'll cut the pieces out, iron them, and then I'll show you guys putting them on. Alright, so here is my blue panel, which is going on the front. And I don't think I'll need to do anything to alter the book, but I have a feeling the blue might show through on the green. And so, oh, that will work. I'm just going to have to like make a slit here and then slits all along here and fold the fabric back and glue it down and then cover it up. But I think that will be fine. Let's see if the green shows through, or the... No, I think it'll be alright. What the heck. It's going on the back. And I think it's fine. It's not showing through that much. We're gonna go ahead and do it. Yep. Yep, we're doing it. We're doing it. Get this out of here. I don't want to mess that up with glue. And I'm going to cut my corners a little bit. Oops, I almost cut my wire. Okay, this should be moved over a little bit. And over here. And now we're going to put the glue down. And this will also cover up these raw edges that I wasn't really anticipating having. I handed back in the key for the job that I was going to take, that I found out was more dangerous than I thought it was going to be, or was led to believe it was going to be, actually. So I was a little embarrassed, but you know what the heck, it's better than putting myself in harm's way. I'm not young, I'm 65. Really, somebody younger than me needs that kind of a job, but I honestly don't think it was safe for anyone to be living, or not living there, but to be working there by themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue all of this on, and then we're going to glue the window. And it should be fine. If it's not, I'll just start all over again with something else. Wouldn't be the end of the world. Alright. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Alright. There there's that one. Okay, so this one's going to be up. I actually think I have to trim this one off a little. I'm not prepared properly. I am not prepared to figure out how to do everything with a window and fabric, because that's too... Got to cut off about 1/4 of an inch, I think. So there we got that. What if I just like take a pencil and... Oops. Will it work? I don't think that's gonna work. Let's just do this. You can kind of see the wrinkle where it was. Alright, let's try that. But actually it doesn't matter because I'm going to be covering this up with... See, I messed up right there. I am going to be covering this up with paper anyway, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Oh, you didn't see, did you? I messed up right here. I wanted it to go all the way to the end. But it didn't come out that way, so I'm going to be putting paper over this anyway. This is the inside. So, push in. Nope. Doesn't look as nice as I wanted it to. I kind of feel like I gotta do that. Alright, and now this side. Yeah, they say fabric tack is for fabric, but it seeps through like that, so I don't know. I think all glue would seep through, but I might put book corners on these because that book corner doesn't look so good. Or that corner doesn't look so good. Neither does this one. What's wrong with it? Alright. So far, it's okay. Yeah, I think I will put... I hope I still have some book corners anyway. So I'm going to get my craft knife. My little cutting board. I'm going to cut this open like this. I think I have to go all the way to the edge. Yeah. And see, then you would just fold these up and it'll look nice. Fold them in. Gotta cut that one better, but that's how we're gonna do that. Alright, oh, let's see, this has to be in a corner over here like this. Okay, let's do all these sides. I hope it looks good. I've never done this before. I think I'm going to have stuff to cut off over here, too. Yep. This is not sticking down like it should be. Okay. Alright. Gonna put this up. And I don't want to wrinkle. There's a string. I think that's a string under there, but I'm not sure. How is this looking? Actually, it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to have to trim that off. Paper that's not too flimsy. Okay. This one not sticking. Everything always looks ugly while you're working on it. And then it looks really good when you're done. At least that's my hope. I've seen other people do it. I know it works. I am not sure how many episodes this will be. Just the cover's taking quite a while. I might even break this up into 2 parts. This being the second part. Alright, now let's just see if we can cut this off like this. Is it working? I think it did. Okay. I think I almost feel like I need to hold it down. Maybe I'll just try the scissors and hope I don't cut the other part. That's good. Why is that not cutting? Let's see. I don't know if I can do this like this. And it looks pretty good. And then, you know, I'll put an image in there. I see a little piece I should glue down there. I'll put an image in here and then, you know, paper over the image. And that should be pretty good. Where was that little piece I needed to? Oh, right here. Then glue it down or cut it off. It's just a string. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, that's a big glob. There. I think that's better. That doesn't look too bad. Don't want to get any more glue on it. Alright. Stay tuned for next time. Or, I don't know, but I'll make an ending just in case. My camera keeps slipping. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're happy, healthy, safe, warm, and dry. And we'll see you again for the rest of this cover. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.